Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Ragatha's door icon from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the bangs. Let's draw a curve up and back down on a diagonal. And then a curve across the bottom. And now let's do the same thing next to it on the right. And then let's add one more on an angle on both sides. And that's it for the bangs. Now let's start drawing the hair. Let's draw a long piece going down on both sides. Now before we finish the hair, let's draw the face. Let's start in between and let's draw a curve across. And now let's hop in and add the eyes. On the top left, let's draw a circular curve behind the hair, like this. And then another one inside. Now in the center, let's draw a long, angled oval. Now let's do the same thing behind it to form an X shape. Now let's hop over to the right and let's draw the other eye. Let's draw a large oval shape behind the bangs and down like this. Then near the top, let's draw an angled line. And add 3 curves at the end for the eyelashes. Now inside the bottom section, let's draw a curve down from the right side on the top. And then color this in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move to the center and let's draw the nose with a triangle. And then underneath, let's draw the mouth. Let's start on the left and let's draw a curve up on the right. And the same thing underneath. And that's it for the face. Now let's move back and finish drawing the hair. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a curved piece going out. And then in between the gap, let's draw another piece behind. Now let's move up and let's draw another piece going out. And then a line down in between the gap. Now let's hop to the top and let's draw a shorter piece going upwards. And then one more piece going out in the gap. Now let's hop over and let's draw the right side of the hair. Let's start with a curved piece going down. And then in the gap, let's draw a curve down and in. Now let's draw another piece going out from the top, leaving a larger gap. Now in the gap, we're going to add 2 pieces like this. Now let's move back up to the top and let's draw another piece coming out. And then in the gap, let's draw a curve out and bring it down. And that's it for the hair for now. Now let's move to the top and add the bow. Let's start on top and let's draw 2 angles up. And then a bumpy line to close off the top. Now for the top left, let's draw a large curve up and curve it back down. And then for the right side, let's do the same thing going out and down but shorter. Now let's move in and let's add the patches. Inside on the left, let's draw a rectangle on a diagonal. And then add some stitch lines on the sides. And then for the right side, let's draw a rectangle from the top. And again, let's add some lines on all of the sides. And that's it for the bow. Now before we start drawing the body, let's draw the shape of the icon. Let's start on the left and let's draw a circular curve down and all the way around. And then continue it on top and between the hair like this. Now that we have the shape of the icon, we can move in and start drawing the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw 2 lines down for the neck. Then underneath on the left, let's draw a small curve down and a longer curve from the right. Now next to the neck, let's draw an angled line down on both sides. Then 2 angles down from underneath the center. And then close off each side to form the collar. Now on the right, let's draw the sleeve. Let's draw a curve from the hair and then bring it down. And then curve it down on the right side. And then close off the bottom. And then add a diagonal line underneath on the left. Now let's move inside and draw the patches. Let's draw a long rectangle along the left side. And then add the stitch lines. And then another one along the right side. And that's it for the right sleeve. Now let's move back over and draw the torso. For the left side of the collar, let's draw a curve down. And then a curve down underneath on the right. And then connect them with a curve across. Then from both bottom corners, let's draw a curve down for the waist. Now let's hop inside and draw the patches. Let's draw a large rectangle inside on the right. And then add the stitch lines. And then a smaller rectangle on the bottom left. Next, let's hop over and let's draw the left sleeve. Let's start on top of the left collar and let's draw a curve over and bring it down. And then from the bottom, let's curve it in. Now underneath, let's add a diagonal line down and out from both sides. And then add some diagonal lines inside. Now let's move in and let's draw a patch along the outside. And add the stitch lines. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's finish drawing the hair by drawing the pieces behind the head. On top of the right shoulder, let's draw 2 curves down. And then 2 more on the inside. Now let's hop over to the left side and let's draw 3 lines down. Then move over and let's draw 2 more. Then a piece of hair going down next to it. and then one more curve down and over. And that's it for Ragatha's door icon. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!